Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make study notes using AI. First, gather your learning materials like textbooks, articles, or lecture recordings. Next, select an AI tool designed for summarization or note creation. Ensure your content is in a digital format, such as a PDF or text file, for easy input. This initial step is crucial for the AI to process your information effectively and begin generating useful study aids. Once your content is ready, upload it to your AI tool. Then, give clear instructions to the AI, asking it to summarize the material and extract the most important points. You can also customize the output format, perhaps requesting bullet points, flashcards, or even a question and answer structure. This allows the AI to tailor the notes precisely to your study preferences and learning style. After the AI generates your notes, it's essential to review them thoroughly. Check for accuracy and ensure all critical information is included. Don't hesitate to edit or refine any parts that seem unclear or need more detail. You can also add your own personal examples or insights, making the notes even more relevant and effective for your individual learning process. Finally, integrate your AI-generated notes into your study routine. Use them for active recall, testing yourself on key concepts, or creating mind maps. These notes can significantly boost your understanding and retention. Consider sharing them with study groups to foster collaborative learning and gain different perspectives. This systematic approach helps maximize your study efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.